Welcome back. Today we are demystifying the Arduino Uno. It is the brain of your electronic projects. Connect sensors, control motors, and start building. Hit subscribe and let's dive in. What is Arduino? It's an open-source electronics brain that lets you control sensors, motors, and lights. If you can imagine it, you can build it. To build, you need power. Use the 5V and GND pins to juice up your components safely. Need to read real-world data? Those are your analog pins, light or temperature levels. Up top, we have 14 digital pins for simple on and off signals. See those tildes? That's PWM, letting you dim LEDs or control. Master these and you're ready to engineer. Ready to build? Let's blink our first LED. Plug it into pin 13, write a simple line of code, and you've just brought your hardware to life. Want to build this yourself? I've got you covered. The full circuit diagram and code are waiting for you in the description. Download it, try it, and show me what you build.